Now, one of the main factors when you're thinking about building your shed is how much would that cost if I do it myself? So let's run you through one we just finished up on our new YouTube channel called Everyday Shed. It's a classic size shed, 8 foot by 12 foot, and we'll break each step down individually with the cost, in addition to links in the description on build plans, 3D SketchUp files, and most importantly, materials list, so you don't have to spend tons of time building your own materials list. We got you covered. So let's jump into it. So was that more or less than you were expecting? Let me know down in the comments. Also, if you've done a build yourself, let me know what size shed that is and how much you spent on your own shed build. If you're thinking about building this shed specifically, those links in the description, or you can check this video out right here. It's over an hour long and is deep diving this exact shed build, which will really guide you through the process. If you want to consider a shed build kit, you can check out this video right here. It's another option you have, but it's not going to be nearly as sturdy and robust as the one we just showed you. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on one of those next ones. Take care.